Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. My name is Tracy. So I did these shoes for my husband in a previous video. I'll link that. But he wanted me to add colors to it. So I already did this video. I'll link it again. And right now I'm only cleaning off the surface that I want to paint so that whatever stickiness, whatever is on there, it comes off so that when you do paint it, the paint doesn't peel. So I'm using Angelus Direct the for to do this, and I'm taking, of course, the paint I bought from Angelus Direct, the yellow and the purple. I thought the yellow would have given me problems in terms of being too light, and also if you're painting on a hard surface, add equivalent to the paint so that it doesn't crack. So he loves his shoes. He hasn't worn them yet, but he decided for me to add color. So I decided to do a separate video with just the colors that I'm doing. And like I said, I thought I was going to have problems with this yellow, meaning that it would go on too light. And I actually end up having problems with the purple. So from what I've learned, because I'm not a pro at this, I'm just doing it for personal use, put a white down first, like paint, and that should help the problem. But I didn't think the purple would have been the problem. I don't like how the purple came out, but anyways, he loves it, so that all that matters. And that's all I did. I'll do the opposite on this foot, where the top I'll do purple here and the back I'll do yellow, and vice versa for the shoes. So in case you don't have time to watch the other videos, what I did in here, all the pictures are heat transfer paper, and I'm doing a different color, a different type of shoes right now, where I'm doing rhinestones with the heat transfer. I don't know how to draw, so I heat transfer everything like what you actually put on shirts. And I know the paper that I bought says it's good for up to 6 washes, but I also seal the images and the paint with one of Angelus Direct Sealer. So I've worn the shoes that I've done for myself, and so far no cracking or anything. And so this will I finished these and he still hasn't worn them yet. I'm thinking he might wear them on Friday, because Friday is not, he doesn't have that much of a busy day at work for a business. So, he's always moving around, walking. So he doesn't want to wear it on a busier day, and then he gets it dirty. So I think I'm going to have to force him to wear these on Friday. So I did maybe 2 layers of the yellow and a lot of the purple, and I think too the trick to it is when you paint, just do a thin coat versus I like to go I like to go like thick, and that's my problem. I'm impatient. Another thing, if you don't have Angelus Direct products, like in terms of their to clean the surface, you can use 100% acetone. And also to seal it, you could probably seal it with like Mod Podge or an adhesive spray. I've also worked with Mod Podge on shoes and shirts, so I know that works as well. For Mod Podge, you can use that to also do to do glitter. And when I do rhinestones, I normally use E6000 glue, but lately I've been using Builder in a Bottle from Orly for nails. So that's been working for me as well. I kind of prefer that one because it cures when I want it to cure, versus the E6000. Sometimes I use it. If I don't use it for a long time, it's so hard. And then to put it on, it dries fast. And I'm like, I got to rush. And I don't know, it becomes frustrating. So if you like this, let me know. I see where people use the spray gun and they spray little whole shoes. He didn't want that. He barely wanted any color originally. So I don't know what made him decide. Oh, I think I was adding color to my shoe. And so that's why I think he like, oh man, that came out really good. Can you add a little accent to my Kobe shoes? So that's when I ended up doing that. So I'm mixing the purple, and like, again, like, look. I don't know if you could see it in the video, but you would think that you would need like 1 layer of this, right? But I don't know. I guess you got to do a test paint. I don't know if you could do such a thing. But anyways, I am finishing this up. I'm working on another pair right now that I'm not going to say what it is, but check out my video, and maybe by the weekend I'll have it up. And after that, I will work on another Kobe shoe, because his friend saw it, that love Lakers, and he wanted me to make him one. So I will do that for him, and then you could check that out. But anyways, guys, if you haven't by now, can you take this time to subscribe to my channel, and so you could see all my upcoming. So I'm finished with everything, and that's what I'm going to be using to seal off everything that I've told you. I already did sealing of everything else except the paint, so that's all I'm going to be doing today, is doing the paint. And but I'll link the original video to this, to when I first did the shoes, just in case you want to see that and you haven't seen it. So I think I have maybe like one, two, three, maybe four, 3 or 4 more shoes to do. One for my son, one for somebody else, one for my sister, and one, I don't know if I'm forgetting one, or maybe 3. Anyways, I made the Elmo one, Sesame Street one, for my nephew, and he just came to pick it up. My brother just came to pick it up today, so probably doesn't fit anymore. But hey, at least that would be considered his baby shoe. So yeah, just go ahead and seal it and walk away. And it says matte, but to me, it kind of still looks glossy, which I love glossy anyway, so that doesn't bother me. And then my husband went ahead and laced up his shoe because he has his particular way he likes it, so he did that. And but anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's an easy one. And if you have any questions, and I'm learning too, so I have to do heat transfer because I don't draw. And anyways, this is how it came out. What do you guys think? He wanted the paint on the sign, but I'm like, no, it's too much. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please don't leave without subscribing, and you take care. Have a blessed and safe day. Take care.